So I am Tyler Bickers. I play third base at John Wood. I played shortstop at Macomb Senior High School. I played there. I played basketball in high school too. Kind of had to make a decision on which sport I wanted to go into. I chose baseball. So Milwaukee was probably my first. It was definitely my first visit I took. They had super nice facilities, and the coaches seemed to know what they were talking about. Seemed to get me to that next level and playing there. So I'm super excited to go there and play there next year. Really focused just being here for this year and summer. You gotta really work hard and get there and earn a starting spot at that team. Yeah, I've always wanted to play college baseball or basketball. But I knew a few guys on this team and while I was in high school. So I kind of knew what I was going into. I'm in business right now. Anything with sports I'm interested in. I love golf a lot. Play a lot of basketball at the Y with my friends. Anything with sports I want to go into after college. Coach Hightower, our head coach, he always talks about how he wants to win so bad. And that's something I relate to really well. And he played here at John Wood and moved on to another 4 years, so kind of following that. John Wood baseball is really about attitude, approach, intensity, toughness. It's 4 things we talk about every day. Practices are super intense. They're long sometimes, but you got to stay into it the whole time and have fun with it. So, yeah, it's very serious. It's kind of like a family, a pack. Wolf pack is what we call it this year. I would mention small things like getting a runner over for second, and it's just like little things you don't think about before you come here. Having a bad attitude and not being tough here at this school is just not going to work. Our coaches will not put up with it. The people. The players, the coaches. I've met so many friends this year that I'll probably stick with for the rest of my life. And the coaches have been super helpful, and just the people are awesome here.